I actually answered a bit of what you are asking now, the one of jobs. The one of jobs. I told Sandra and another girl from Butambala that the jobs are found in 4 sectors. The 4 sectors are commercial agriculture. Commercial agriculture has 2 parts. There is the small scale commercial agriculture of the 4 acres, where you use the intensive farming. But there's also the extensive farming, where you have bigger land and you can do cotton, you can do other things, where you earn little per acre, but because of size of scale, you get good money. But both of them are under commercial agriculture. The second sector is artisanship and manufacturing. The children we are training in the industrial hubs and technical schools, when they get out, they have emyoga. Emyoga is a skill. And then the skill enables them to create wealth. And then the wealth they create, like for instance, if you have got a bakery, like the children who are giving evidence yesterday, once you have a skill of baking, you find that in a bakery you earn money, you have wealth, but you also employ other youth. The same for metal work, welding and all that. Then the big factories, like the industrial parks of Mbale, of Namanve, of Kapeka, of Mukono, of the factories in Kawembe, all those create jobs. Then the third sector is services, hotels, tourism, transport, entertainment, music. These are all, so those jobs are there in the 4 sectors. Even where you go in Dubai, it is the same sectors. The only difference is that for us we have got a wider spectrum because we are richer in terms of natural resources. In Dubai, where you go, you only have, I don't think you can do agriculture there. Can you do manufacturing there? No. So you end up just being in services, in housekeeping only. So here you've got a bigger spectrum.